Welcome back, Sales Towners. Achieving a higher conversion rate through winning the lead will grow your business and generate more revenue. Winning the lead boosts sales and gives you an opportunity to gain trust of clients in your products. However, losing the lead helps in knowing the drawbacks and makes you understand why you are not succeeding. Lost lead will also explore the benefits of taking a more proactive approach to target new lead and make it win without repeating mistakes. After finishing the deal, it's important to mark that particular lead as won or lost for avoiding unnecessary attention, and will also keep the workboard well organized. In the SalesTown CRM system, we will learn how to mark a lead as won or lost after finishing any deal. Won here means you have successfully closed the deal with your clients, and lost means the lead which didn't get converted into sales for certain reasons. Let's check out this video on how to mark lead won or lost. SalesTown Workboard has two methods to mark the lead won or lost. The first one is the drag and drop method. On the Workboard window, select the lead and drag it to the options appearing at the top of the lead panel and drop it to the respective option, won or lost. Next, if you drop lead in the won option, it will ask you to fill in two non-mandatory fields, one value and any respective discount in regards to lead. Simply fill it in and click Submit button. And if you drop the lead on the lost option, it will again ask you two non-mandatory fields, a lost reason and any comments the user wants to input in the respective leads. Another method is from the Lead Detail View window. First, click on a particular lead. A detailed view of that particular lead will appear. Here, in the top right corner, you will find two options, won and lost. To mark the lead won or lost, click on the respective button and follow the same steps as mentioned before while marking lead the won and lost. This feature is equally important as other features because it easily tracks sales and deals to improve efficiency. If you wish to check out the list of the leads won or lost, you can easily get detail from the All Active Leads Filter option available on the workboard. If you have any queries regarding SalesTown CRM, feel free to write in the comment section of this video. Please press the like button, subscribe to SalesTown, and hit a bell icon to keep yourself updated with our next tutorial video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching and happy selling!